Okay, so pluses don't change anybody. So bring over 3y, oh, he comes under here, minus 2x. Remember that sign belongs, this sign here belongs with the 2x. So 3x minus 2x makes just x. 3 minus 2 is 1. Plus the 3y, this is a positive. 2y and 3y makes plus 5y. Uh-oh, this guy's changing, everybody. So this will be a negative 2a under there. This negative makes c. Oh, c now becomes a positive c. But there is no other c. All right, so let's figure this out. Negative 2a and a leaves you just negative a, 1a, right? Plus b, there is no other b. That didn't change. And the c is plus c. Oh my goodness, fractions. Okay, this minus is changing. So this makes it negative 4x. And this makes it a negative 3 over 2 is really 1.5. I'm going to change that to 1.5. Okay, so let's watch. So if I take negative 4x under here, combine these guys, that makes negative 7x. And then the other part is a negative 1/2 and a positive 1/2. So the half part's going to cancel each other out, and I'm left with minus 1. A little tricky. Okay, this plus doesn't change anybody. So 9 is going to be positive 9, and he's got to get added to him. Bring the 9 there. Negative 20z is going to be negative 20z. So negative 20, take 12 away, makes negative 8z. And these two make positive 7. Oh, this one's a nice long one. Got to get all our j's together and all our whole numbers. There's pluses in between, so nobody's getting changed. So I'm just going to bring them over. 3j. 3j goes under there. He's gone. And negative 4j goes under here. Okay, do the whole numbers. Negative 4 goes here, and 8 plus 8. So now do the math. Negative 4j, oh, these two together would be 4j, right? 3 and 1 is 4j minus 4j. J's are gone, 0j. OJ, what happens here? Negative 4 and a positive 3, this would make negative 1. And negative 1 and 8 makes 7 plus 7. So the answer here is just 7. That's gone. Tricky. Okay, how about this long one? Oh boy, this is going to be interesting. I'm going to write it over here. I'm going to start out with 12k plus 3, right? That's the original. Plus 6 minus 2k. So 6 is going to go under here. This plus doesn't change it, and 2k is a negative 2k, so that stays there. This minus is going to change everything. So 8k is becoming a negative 8k, and 3, what is that, a j? 3j, negative 3j now becomes a positive 3j, which, whatever. We don't have a column for that. So now we can take care of adding down. 12. And these two. So this makes what, negative 10, and a positive 12 makes 2k is left. These guys make 9, and this makes plus 3j. So that's my answer, but I'm going to put it in kind of order. 3j plus 2k plus 9. Sort of alphabetical order, j, k, and that's the answer. Okay, these are a bit challenging, guys. There's no doubt, but they're kind of fun when you get going. Okay, let's look at this one. First, I have to distribute the 12. So I would technically have here 12x plus 36. Then this minus makes everybody change. Minus x under there, and minus 2. So I get 11x plus, take 2 away from 36 is 34. Good? This one over here. Distribute the 2 first. So I have 2c plus 2d. And this is plus 6c minus 6d. Okay, so let's get our c's together. So we have 2c and 6c makes 8c. 2d and negative 6d is negative 4d. Okay? 9m plus 15 is going to stay. This is going to change. Negative 3 is distributed to this. So this makes negative 3m. Negative 3 times negative 1 makes positive 3. So now I want to put this over here. Negative 3m plus 3. And combine them. So 9 and a negative 3, 9 and negative 3 makes 6m. And 15 and 3 is 18. 9a minus 18b is this first part. And then half. Half of 4b is plus 2b. Half of negative 8a is negative 4a. Okay, so I got to get my a's together. 9a and negative 4a. 9 minus 4a makes 5a. Negative 18b and positive 2b makes negative 16b. A pitcher contained this many gallons of water. Okay? Water was then poured from the pitcher into a glass that has a capacity of G minus 5 gallons. How many gallons of water are left in the pitcher? So basically, the 5G minus 2 is going to be take away G minus 5. That means that much is taken out of this big pitcher to fill up, right? So in order to do that, this minus changes. The G goes minus G, and the 5 becomes plus 5. So when I do that, I get 5G minus G, right? And then the negative 2 and the positive 5. So let's combine. This makes 4G, and this makes plus 3. Kind of a crazy question. A triangle has 3 sides. One side is this, the other side is this, the other side is that. What is the perimeter? Remember, perimeter means add them all the way up, distance all the way around. So I got to go, I'm going to put them out here. I got x plus 3 is one side. I have 2x plus 2 is another side. And I have 4x minus 2 is the third side. There's the 3 sides. So how many x's? 7x, right? And the 2's cancel each other out, so I have plus 3. My answer is 7x plus 3. A little bit challenging, guys. Little bit, but doable. Okay?